In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import CSV into Airtable. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a CSV from your computer into the right place in Airtable without losing structure or formatting. First, open your browser and head to airtable.com, then sign in. Once you're in, make sure you're on the home screen. If you're not, click Home to return to your main dashboard where all your workspaces and bases are listed. This is the easiest place to choose where your CSV data should live. Next, open the base or app where you want the data to go. Think of this as the destination for your import. If you already have the right table ready, great. If not, you can still import here and organize afterwards, but choosing the correct base now keeps everything tidy. Inside your base, look for the Add or Import option. This is Airtable's built-in way to bring in outside data. Click it to open the Import menu, then select CSV file. Airtable supports other sources too, but CSV is perfect when your data is coming from spreadsheets or exports from other tools. You'll see an area that lets you drop files or browse files. If the CSV is handy on your desktop, drag it right in. Otherwise, click to browse, find your CSV on your computer, select it, and click Open. A quick prep tip: your CSV should have a single header row with clear column names, consistent separators, commas are standard, and clean data without extra blank columns. If your file includes special characters, saving it as UTF-8 in your spreadsheet editor helps avoid encoding issues. After selecting the file, click Upload File. Airtable will analyze the CSV and prepare it for import. You'll typically see a preview where Airtable detects your headers and lines up columns to fields. Use this moment to visually confirm that names, dates, and numbers look correct and that the first row is recognized as headers, not data. If something looks off, it's usually fastest to fix the CSV in your editor and re-upload so your import stays simple and accurate. Once the upload completes, your rows will appear in the table. Scan the first few records to confirm values landed in the right places. Date columns should show proper dates, number fields should be numbers, and text should be intact. If you're importing large data sets, consider doing a small test CSV first to validate formatting before bringing in everything. That's it. You've successfully imported a CSV into Airtable using Add or Import and the CSV file option. Thanks for watching, and happy building.